Ghee versus butter, which is more nutritious?
Did you know that ghee has been a staple in Indian cooking for thousands of years, while butter has been a key ingredient in Western kitchens for just as long? In recent years, ghee has gained popularity worldwide, with many people claiming it's a healthier alternative to standard butter. But is that really the case? In today's video, we're digging deep into the nutritional differences between ghee and butter to help you make the best choice for your health. Let's start with a quick look at the basics. Butter, made by churning cream, is rich in saturated fats and contains about 102 calories per tablespoon. It's also a good source of vitamins A and D. Ghee, on the other hand, is made by simmering butter to remove the milk solids and water, leaving behind pure fat. A tablespoon of ghee contains about 120 calories, slightly more than butter, but it also offers some unique benefits. One key difference between ghee and butter is that ghee is lactose-free. During processing, the milk solids are removed, making ghee a better option for those who are lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy. This process also gives ghee a higher smoke point than butter, meaning it can be heated to higher temperatures without burning. This makes ghee an excellent choice for cooking and frying. Now let's talk about the nutritional content. Ghee is rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, E, and K2, which are important for maintaining healthy skin, eyes, and bones. It's also a good source of butyrate, a fatty acid that supports gut health and reduces inflammation. Butter contains similar vitamins but in slightly lower amounts. However, butter also has a unique compound called conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which has been linked to various health benefits, including reduced body fat and improved heart health. While ghee offers some nutritional advantages, butter isn't without its perks. The CLA in butter has been shown to support weight management and even has potential anti-cancer properties. However, ghee's higher concentration of vitamins and its ability to promote gut health give it an edge for those looking to boost their overall wellness. So which one is better? The truth is, both ghee and butter can be part of a healthy diet when used in moderation. If you're lactose intolerant or looking for a higher smoke point for cooking, ghee might be the better option for you. On the other hand, if you enjoy the creamy taste of butter and want the benefits of conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, then butter could be your go-to. In the end, whether you choose ghee or butter, it's all about balance and personal preference. Both have their own unique nutritional profiles that can complement your diet. So why not try including both in your meals and see which one works best for you? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and food comparisons.